Hey guys, welcome back for another one. Stay safe out there. Oh, nice. In this first clip, we get a full moon. Sometimes, you need to remember to just swallow your pride and back up. Let them move on. Listen to the backseat driver in this situation.
Takar.
In this one, some people are too impatient and hesitant. Make up your mind. Now we got another accident to worry about. Those officers are gonna be excited. Here we got someone who doesn't care about the double lines. And they're gonna pay for it.
Go, go, go! Get him! Get him!
Got him. Here we got two people raging. If someone's brake checking you, let them move on. Stop riding their tail. Just let them go. Yeah, you're both on camera. You're breaking the law too, bud.
You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Oh! We got a wannabe speed racer in this clip. Going way too fast. If you want to drive like that, get on a track. You won't have to worry about a curb sending you to the shop. What a dummy. Some people get mad at others for not letting them in the lane. How about you slow down and wait to get in the lane? Don't get mad because your timing and patience ran out. We're all trying to get somewhere. Don't put others' lives at risk because you're trying to get somewhere faster. Just some normal stop-and-go traffic. And Karen thinks this guy's too close. They're all waiting, just like you. How close are you behind the person in front of you? Sometimes you think you're clear to take a right, but the oncoming traffic is going a little bit too fast, almost double the speed. And this man didn't mean to cut the other one off. Either way, don't be mad at this guy for cutting in the lane when you should have been going slower. And then you're gonna chase him down? He doesn't know if you have weapons or a gun or what you're gonna do. You think he's gonna stop and talk? No. Leave him alone. What a dummy. Oh, could you cut him off any harder? You trying to get an insurance claim? This is on camera, bro. That was all your fault. Gonna act like it was the camera's fault? Get out of here. We'll wait for the cops. Also, if you're in a situation like this, do not tell the person you have a camera. Wait until the cops get there. Let them lie their butt off, and then tell them you got a camera. What a punk. Yeah, get your paperwork, bud. You're gonna need it. Look at this guy trying to yell at the person next to him. Or are they having a conversation? Are they friends? I don't know. You think he's gonna pull over and talk? Get out of here, bro. I don't understand people like that. Oh, you thought that guy was gonna pull over? No, he's not. Nobody's pulling over to talk to you, bud. Now, both you guys are holding up traffic. Obviously not the person on the left's fault. But red car is going straight to jail for sure. No doubt a Karen got that plate. What are you doing? So now you're gonna tailgate him? What's that gonna do? Man, it's a beautiful day out and you're raging. Go enjoy the day. This guy's gonna wreck his own vehicle by himself. And he's older. What are you doing? Get back in your car, old man. You're going off against a younger dude. He could rock you. Oh, bro, what are you doing? Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Old man has a sleeve. He thinks he's still hard. Listen to the youngster. You're the one blabbering away. Alrighty, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.